Hello folks, welcome to the channel. If your Amazon Music app is not working, then watch this video for the fix. Now the first thing we need to do if the Amazon Music app doesn't open or is crashing repeatedly is to look for the app in the search bar. And we find Amazon Music. Here we will click on app settings and we will click on repair. We'll get a tick mark and then we'll click on reset and reset again. And then we will open the Amazon app and it will work perfectly. If it doesn't work, then we need to uninstall and reinstall the Amazon app. So we will go to Amazon Music. Again, we'll go to this app. We'll click on uninstall, uninstall again, and it will uninstall. Then to reinstall it, we need to open the browser, look for Amazon Music, app, download, and we'll click install on Windows. It should open in Windows Store, or you can search in Windows Store itself. And then we'll click on get. I already have it installed in my system, but if you don't, then if you have uninstalled it, then you need to click on get and you open the app and it should work perfectly. If this video helped you, then please subscribe to the channel. Enjoy your day.